Question number first of exercise 11.3. From the top of a building 15-meter high, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower is found to be 30. From the bottom of the same building, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is found to be 60. Find the height of the tower and the distance between the tower and the building. From the top of a building 15-meter high, that it is 15-meter high building AB, and from its top the angle of elevation means the tower is greater than building. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower is angle of elevation from the top of the building to the top of the tower. It is tower CD, and angle of elevation from the top of the building to the top of the tower is found to be 30 degree. That is 30. From the bottom of the same building, it is building and it is tower. From the bottom of the same building, bottom of the building means point B. From the bottom of the same building, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is found to be 60. From B point, the angle of elevation of point C is found to be 60. Now we have to find the height of the tower and distance between the tower and the building, means we have to find the x, and since it is AB is equal to ED, then it is also 15. That it is H. Now there are two right angle triangles. First is AEC and second is BCD. That AB is the building and CD is the tower. Also BD equal X and CE equal H. Now in triangle AEC, tan 30 degree equal perpendicular upon base. Since BD is X, then AE is also X. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. CE is H and A is X. Then value of X is root 3H. It is value of X. Now in triangle BCD, tan 60 degree equal perpendicular means CD upon base is BD. Tan 60, value of tan 60 is root 3. CD is the sum of CE and AD, means it is H plus 15 and BD is X. Then root 3X equal H plus 15. Put the value of X from first equation. we have root 3 into x is root 3h equal h plus 15, then it is 3h minus h equal 15, then value of h is 15 by 2, that is 7.5 meter. It is value of h, but we have to find the height of the tower. Height of the tower is the sum of CE and ED. CE is h and ED is 15. H plus 15, h is 7.5, it is 15, then 22.5. It is answer. And the distance between the building is x equal root 3h. Distance between tower and building is root 3h. Put the value of h 22.5 root 3 meter. Put value of root 3 and get the required answer.